Hi guys, how are you? Today we have a super simple, no tools needed nail art design. This little braid is not my original design. It's been done 5 million times. I just thought it would be fun to show you. So I have DJ Blew My Mind, Troy from Zoya, and Peace, Love, and Polish from Color Club. I rotate through the colors, so I started with pink and then gray and then blue and then pink, gray, blue, and make diagonal stripes with the polish brush. It is really simple. If I do more than one nail, I like to change what color I start with on the second nail. Also, definitely recommend using opaque polishes because if you don't, you get a little bit of a mess. Also, make sure that you're doing fewer lines, so make them a little bit wider because if you don't, you get a huge goopy polish puddle mess on your nails and it is no bueno. So I just rotate back and forth until I get down to the end. When you get to the tip of your nail, I make sure that the lines meet in the middle and make a nice V for a finished look. And then I go in with a toothpick because I made quite a bit of wonkiness there at the end, but that is all optional. Anyway, that is about it. I hope that you guys like this super simple video. I will definitely be back with more very soon, so keep an eye out. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!